Welcome back to another video. If you would hit that like button, that subscribe button, I greatly appreciate it. Today it's going to be a short, sweet video. Basically, I'll be changing this tie rod in right here. So first thing you want to do is loosen that nut up. Well, actually, you can loosen this bolt up first. And up north, you're going to definitely need some heat to break this loose because they seize up with rust. After that, then you can do the nut. I'm gonna do that, and I'll be right back. All right, once you do that, you just pull it out and you just untwist it. Now you could count the turns, but there's no need to count the turns if you just unloosen this less than a turn, and it'll go right back in place for the most part. We're gonna see. So we're gonna screw this off. And we're gonna screw this one on. All the way until it won't screw no more. And that's it right there. Then you just have to wiggle this around a little bit to get it. Get it in the hole there. Put your nut on. That's pretty much it for that. I'm going to tighten that back down the nut. That's it. It took every bit of 3 minutes, 2 minutes. But a pretty easy, simple process. The dealer probably charge you 60, 70 bucks just in labor just to do that. And as you can see, I just did it in quickness. But if you would like, comment, and subscribe, hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you all have a good day.